Ismat and Jana.
We are UA graduates and we started our company, Kipple. We sell sustainable, returnable, home and kitchen kits for students.
We're offering students sustainable alternatives, but here are some little things that we can all do to help the planet this Christmas.
Teach traditional crackers with lots of plastic gifts and make your own.
Roast turkey is very dry. Opt for cauliflower instead.
Leave your car at home and take the train instead.
When decorating, don't use tinsel. Use holly instead.
And don't forget
to switch off your lights.